What's up, YouTube fam? We out here again today, guys. Back at it again. Part 2 of Ralph's bag install. So I'm getting a late start because we did finish about 2:30 in the morning, and it's 2:32 right now. So getting ready to head over to Shayne's house and get cracking on it and get this stuff rolling. Hopefully we can get some rollers up Ralph's car today and maybe see him at a car meet. Who knows? So let's get it going. So I just pulled up here to Shayne's house and they started without me. The whole car is back on the ground already. Like, what's up, man? I was sleepy. I had to edit that video last night and you guys just left me hanging, man. This is rude.
Hey, man, you know how I be, man. You know, I got
rude, man.
I got people to see in places or things to do.
So are we gonna, you know, work on the other one now today too, or what's up?
We're gonna bag yours too?
Oh, no, bag, no, hell no. That's why that's 2000 there, man. Bag that's 2000.
That's 2000 out of his bag.
Yeah, you know that, so I don't have to bag another car. I can't have 2 bags, right? Who has 2 bags, right? Actually, I do know one person.
I will.
I know one person. Damn. Look at that tuck. That tuck is real.
So I already have it adjusted and everything to where it'll sit where it's supposed to sit. You want to do it? Okay. So like it should sit in line with your.
Alright guys, so that's 1 Evo, 2, and there's 3. So we the 3 Evos. I don't know how we would pronounce that, guys. Amigos, the 3 amigos. Right, guys? Can we be the 3 amigos?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to give you guys the wave today. The wave. Hello. Hello. Ah. That's our wave, guys. Oh shit. I would have said you almost landed on my foot, but you know what? It ain't touching the ground, so stick my foot under anyways. Woo! That wheel gap though. Look who we got coming up the street. It's going down, girl.
I didn't even see the camera.
Yeah? You guys remember where this? Look at that. Damn.
On there to like seal the gas tank off. And they were like, no.
Oh, that. What's up to Casada, Quesadilla?
This nigga.
Well, shit, guys. Now we got 4 Evos here. We got 1 owner, 2 owner, Ralph, me.
Bro, do you see this?
Damn.
This nigga was flying. Hey, this nigga was flying, bro.
Look at that. Damn. Whew.
How
Both
fast are
sides
you going?
too.
Yeah, exactly.
That downforce though. Damn, that sucks.
Mine's not even that bad.
You know what that means, right? It means that you should just let me get the wing then and I'll take away your problems. That's all.
That's fixable. Plus you go here.
Guys, tell her she should just give me the wing. You know, I can definitely chassis mount it to the S2000, so just get that wing going. Alright guys, so there's always been a 4th Evo around here, and now it's Casada. She doesn't want to be introduced, but you can say what's up. Just say what's up real fast to the vlog, you know, it ain't hard. Just look at the camera and say what up. Look at that. That's not too hard, guys. But if you guys want to check out her build, go give her a follow right here. We'll put her link in the description also, along with our Instagram, so you can go follow all of us right now. So this is actually what Casada came over here for. She just copped that lip off of Shayne.
Oh, yeah?
Look at Shayne already put it on, man. This guy's a hard-working gentleman. So nice. So nice, man.
Yeah, you gotta take care of the bros, man.
Alrighty, so I hope you all can hear me. I kind of got to step away from the madness, but we're at another house right now. We're cutting Shayne's fenders so he can actually air out and turn fully, because how wide his tires are, he can't turn a complete turn. He has to like do a multi-turn just to even turn left. So we're currently cutting it right now, and then we're gonna put Casada's lip on and be on our way. That's what's going on right there. We got this Evo here, and Casada's there. You guys can't hear me, but it's alright, guys. Let's see what's going on back here.
See, I'm not pulling.
That's the master mechanic.
And then hold up here. how I'm kind of pulling it?
Yeah.
So it's separate. It's creating like a V.
Well, here's the end results of the driver's side, guys. It's enough for him to touch. Oh man, that's so close. Now the start. Oh, it's so loud. My ears hurt. Oh, I found the Gatorade I was looking for. Look, her lip got put on. Well, it's still getting put on. Look at this master mechanic over here. Doing some work. And then this is the final of this side here. This is all what Shayne cut. Leaving that right there.
But remember, that's just temporary. It's gotta go more than that. That's just enough so I can turn it.
Alright, catch you later, skedaddling. Check that new lip out. I thought we were finished, and Shayne went right back ahead and cut off about another inch to an inch and a half, so I guess I gotta re-update you guys. If you guys don't already know what he's cutting those fenders for, I guess you gotta stick around and figure out, because I'm not gonna let you guys know what's going down. He might want to tell you guys, but I'll let it be up to him to tell you guys. Damn, dude. Hey, so I didn't want to tell them why you were cutting your fenders, but do you want to tell them?
Wide body boy.
Hey. Wide body gang. Too bad I'm not wide body, but still wide body gang. Well. So we're done cutting up Shayne's fender, and we're back at Shayne's house. Time to work on Ralph's Evo. Our weather changed on us drastically. It's raining all over the place, and it's actually thundered and lightning. So this vlog is gonna be cut short really soon. As soon as we get done with Ralph's car, if we can't get rollers of it today because of the rain, we will get some later on in the another vlog. But right now, time to get started on Ralph's car. Still sitting aired out. Bro, what's up? So this is gonna be the before, and then I'll update you guys when we have the after, and it's all done. And the trunk setup is done. Hey, bring those chips back here, boy. Come bring it back here. I'm starving.
Can you leave this right here?
Yum 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 yum.
Huh?
Let me show you guys this trunk setup.
Huh?
This is for now, guys. This is the mini trunk setup that we got, just so he can be able to drive and nothing slides around. Well, that concludes this vlog today, guys. We ended up cutting Shayne's fenders. We finished up the air suspension on Ralph's car, and we did nothing to my car. Actually, and we also did something to Casada's car, so got some stuff accomplished today. But yeah, that wraps it up for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm Levon, and I'm out of here.